A positive mind finds opportunity in everything. A negative mind finds fault in everything. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Life is short, time is fast, no replay, no rewind. So enjoy every moment as it comes. 6 rules of life. Before you pray, believe. Before you speak, listen. Before you spend, earn. Before you write, think. Before you quit, try. Before you die, live. 4 beautiful thoughts of life. Look back and get experience. Look forward and see hope. Look around and feel reality. Look within and find yourself. The biggest suspense of life is that you don't know who is praying for you and who is playing with you. One who knows himself is never disturbed by what others think about him. Definition of fool: knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. That's why we call it the present. Never argue with someone who believes their own lies. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. No matter how poor you think you are, if you have a loving family, you have everything. You have 2 choices: to control your mind or to let your mind control you. Fake people gossip about everyone else. Real people mind their own business. Never judge people by their past. People learn, people change, people move on. It's better to walk alone than with a crowd going in the wrong direction. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. Pain makes you stronger. Fear makes you braver. Heartbreak makes you wiser. So thank the past for a better future. Everything happens for a reason. Don't question it. Trust it. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be talked to. Respect is earned, not given. Don't carry your mistakes around with you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones. Never regret being a good person to the wrong people. Your behavior says everything about you, and their behavior says enough about them. You are strong when you know your weaknesses. You are beautiful when you appreciate your flaws. You are wise when you learn from your mistakes. Don't feel bad if people remember you only when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their minds when there is darkness. Satisfied life is better than successful life, because our success is measured by others, but our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind, and heart. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.